Good evening, one and all. I welcome you all to yet another series of Ayas Ayush Diksha Learning Series. Idam Punyatamam Shastram Ayurveda Amritanam. Hearty wishes for all the doctors, Ayurveda doctors gathered among here for Dhanvantri Jayanti and 5th World Global Ayurveda Day 2020. Santoshah Paramo Labah Sattanaha Paramagatihi Vicharaha Paramajnanam Shamohi Paramam Sukham. Contentment is the highest gain. Good company is the highest course. Enquiry is the highest wisdom, and peace is the highest enjoyment. With this quote, I am really overwhelmed to welcome Dr. Mahadevan sir, who is going to share his experience in treating post-COVID management in Ayurveda. I welcome Dr. Devi Priya to brief about sir.
Good evening and a very warm welcome to everyone connected with Ayas Ayush. I am Devi Priya Balamurgan from Government Ayurveda Medical College and Hospital, Nagarkoil. We'll take this immense pleasure to welcome you all in this evening for 5th Global Ayurveda Day, celebrating by Ayas Ayush. Let us start the session with Athirumandiram. பார்ப்பான் அகத்திலே பார்ப்பசு ஐந்துண்டு மெய்ப்பாரும் இன்றி வெறித்து திரிவன மெய்ப்பார் உண்டாய் வெறியும் அடங்கினால் பார்ப்பான் பசு ஐந்தும் பாலாய் சொரியுமே. திருமூலர். Here, Panchendriyas are compared to 5 cows and proper guru as shepherd. Generally, one goes in the way as per his lower senses. When there is guru, one obtains control over his senses and shape towards God. Today, we are blessed to have session by Dr. L. Mahadevan sir, MD PhD Ayurveda, on topic post-COVID-19 management in Ayurveda. It's my honor to welcome Dr. L. Mahadevan sir, Director of Dr. Y. Mahadeva Iyer Sri Sharada Ayurvedic Hospital, Darishanam Gop, Kanyakumari District, Tamil Nadu. Assistant Professor, Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Pankajagasturi Ayurveda College, Kerala. Authorized Medical Officer, AMO Ayurveda, ISRO, LPSC, Mahendragiri. Sir has completed BAMS from Chennai Venkatramana Ayurveda Medical College 1993 and completed PG Kaya Chikitsa from Government Ayurveda College, Thiruvananthapuram in 1997. He started his clinical practice in November 1997. He was initiated into this clinical training by Dr. B. Vaidyanathan sir and M.R. Vasudevan Nambudiri sir and was inspired by many others. He is having an Ayurvedic Gurukulam and having 19 students with him. Throughout his life, he doesn't charge any fee for his teaching. A good teacher have 3 loves: love of teaching, love of learners, and love of bringing the 2 loves together. And that is you, sir. We are waiting for your words. We welcome you, sir. Now I hand over the session to you. Good evening, sir.
Namaste, ma. Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, you can start.
Dear doctors, on this wonderful day of Dhanvantri Jayanti, I am very happy to see you all and talk about post-COVID management. Actually, in the district where I live, Kanyakumari district, the cases has come down drastically. In my village also there is no case. And today is a very auspicious day. It is called as Ayurveda Day. People are celebrating Ayurveda Day all over the world. Ayas Ayush is doing a great work. I am very happy to be associated with them. Today we are going to talk about post-COVID management. If the patient has just recovered from COVID-19 or returned home from the hospital, he has already won the war. Now mortalities are very less. So after COVID-19 treatment, the patient may still experience some of the symptoms such as low energy levels and fatigue, difficulty in breathing, and becoming breathless when even with a little bit of exertion. All rasadrushti. Chest congestion and lot of phlegm. Persistent cough with phlegm. Poor appetite, changed taste in the mouth. Headaches. Difficulty in remembering things, short-term memory loss. Poor concentration, anxiety. Difficulty in falling asleep. Fear of relapse or a family member contracting the illness. Bad memories of the time in the hospital. Fatigue is very common sign of viral infection. Previously also we have seen lot of even simple viral flu can produce post-viral arthralgia, post-viral myalgia, chronic fatigability. This is because the body diverts a lot of energy from normal body processes to the infection. Some patients with COVID-19, however, report feeling extremely fatigued and symptoms that can continue for a while, from 7 days to 2 to 3 months. They can continue for a while after they beat the disease. So what do you do for the post-COVID fatigue? Shramam, Glani. And in my practice, after practicing for 22 years, I realize Shamana is more challenging and more tougher and more interesting. Because most of the Vyadis are Sandarpana Vyadis, not about the COVID. And they need Amapajanam, Agni Devanam, Rukshanam, Gandharavastadi, Vaishwanaram, Rasonadi, Lashuna Rasayanam, Vardhamana Vipali, like that. And the opportunity to do Sashtigam, Bindasvedam, Pidichal, Kayasegam are coming down drastically. All Vada Kapha Rogas. In Vada Kapha Rogas, we will be treating with Virya, not with Rasa. So slowly we have to correct the Agni. The Mandagni should be corrected by Vada Kaphagara, Aushadas, Ushna Virya, Pramadi Aushadas. And little bit of Kanji, Yavagu and Virejanam, we will be giving Samsarjana Kriya. We will be giving Mandam, Peya, Vilevi, Akradayusham, Kradayusham, Akradamamsarasam, Kradamamsarasam. What does it indicate? It indicates simple glucose, complex glucose, simple protein, complex protein, unsaturated fat and saturated fat. This is the order in which we do the Samsarjana Kriya. Here also, slow Kanji type of diets should be started, and diet plays a major role. The one thing in modern medicine which we totally disagree is taking bread and all these type of things which are Pishtana, Sabishandi, Vidahi Yukta, these type of aharas. I don't know why modern medicine is not so much concentrating on these types of diet. According to modern medicine, they advise in our hospital, the modern counterpart, advise the apples, oranges, and little bit of honey to the lemon. And people who are having low energy, warm water is advised. When Pittanubandha, Shidadvara is given. In Vada Kaphanubandha, Ushna Jala, which is Vada Kaphagara, and Srodo Shodhana, and Prananam Avalambanam, that which sustain the prana, is given, sipped slowly. Then dry cough. Dry cough is Vada Pradhanya Kasa. Drinking lot of fluids, warm infusions with tulasi leaves boiled in water or honey. Avoid alcohol, sugar drinks and coffee. They may cause dehydration. Sip warm water throughout the day. Do steam inhalation 15 minutes 2 to 3 times a day. Try sleeping on the one side rather than on the flat on the back. Modern medicine advice high protein, high energy drinks, vegetables and lentil soups. The patient can also drink a drink made by ginger, tulasi, pepper in water or kashayam. Some breathing exercise to ease chest congestion. Active cycle of breathing. It is a multi-step breathing exercise that may help some former COVID-19 patients to expel phlegm and chest congestion. Lie down on the right side with one or two pillows under the hips. You can increase the pillows to 3 to drain the lower lobes of the lungs. Lie down on the right side with 2 or 3 pillows under the head. Cross left arm over the chest if this feels comfortable. This position is avoided when there is nausea, there is blood in the phlegm, they feel dizzy, there is acid reflux and breathlessness. Sometimes people say they have bitter taste in the reflux, that is bile. When you treat an acid reflux case with Guduchiyadi Kashayam, Drakshadi Kashayam, and if you give Kamaduga Rasam, Amla Pittandagalogam, Sudasega Rasam, Parushagadi Legium, etc., they won't respond. They may get bitter. That is why Tiktasyada in Jwaram, the Vadanavandam Pittam, you have Tiktasyada, and in Kafanavandam, Amanavandam, you have Amlasyada, and in Kevala Pittam, you have Kadu Asyada. So Kadurasam, Amlarasam, Tiktarasam are seen in the avasthas of Jwara. So this Kadu Rasam is Kevala Pitta, Tiktam, that is Ruksham, Akasha Bhuishtam, Lagu Guna Yuktam, Pittam is Lagu, Vatam is Lagu. So that is Vadanavanda Pitta Lakshanas. Sama Pitta, Ama Pitta, Kafanavanda Pitta, Kafam is Snigdam, Pittam is Snigdam. You get the Amlarasa. And there is anxiety in patients with COVID-19 patients. We should ask them to stop watching the news and about the pandemic if it makes them unhappy or anxious. At least they should limit their exposure to news for a few minutes daily. Meditation and yoga to de-stress, start the physical recovery, relaxation techniques, hearing music, visualization, meditation. Stay connected with family and friends. Dyspnea, awareness about one's own breathing is called dyspnea. Awareness about one's own heart functioning is called palpitation. Shortness of breath is one of the most serious complications, symptoms of COVID. The infection can reach the air sacs alveoli and cause inflammation and fluid buildup in the lungs, pneumonia. Some of the breathing difficulties may persist in the post-recovery treatment phase as well. They may cause pulmonary embolism, hyperactive immune response. Pulmonary embolism I have not seen in this season, but post-COVID fibrosis we have seen. We are seeing a lot of fibrosis. Vada pradanya pranavaga srodo dushti. So that is the ruksha visheshatvam is mentioned there. COVID actually affects Agni and Ojas so much. So we have to do Agni Dibana, Srodo Shobana, Shodana, Snehana, Rasayana is the protocol. Shodanas are contraindicated, Balam Tasyahi, Vidbalam. Even Snanam in the late phase we start after applying Tegaraja Sailam or Bala Ashwagandha Lakshadi Dailam. And all the procedures are usually avoided, usually Dhanyamaladhara, because Snanam Suraja Sramagharanam. So Arishtam, Sura here is medicated Arishtas, and Snana with Ushna Jala, Dhanyamaladhara, Kashayadhara, all these things remove fatigue easily. You have seen these post-COVID lung fibrosis cases. Breathing position. You should make the position comfortable to the patient to get maximum air into the lungs may be possible. You should sit upright, relax the shoulders, place the patient hands in the lap, keep the patient look forward, try to breathe slowly. So this Soham meditation, Hamsa Soham Soham Hamsaha, the inhalation you chant Om, then otherwise So Ham Hamsa, or any other Om, peace, like that. Simply we can teach them. Ajabajabam can be practiced. Belly breathing, sit comfortably in the chair, place one hand on the patient's chest and the other hand on the tummy. As the patient breathes in through the nose, feel the hand on the tummy rising. So when you breathe through the nose, and natural injection of nitric oxide into the body helps the lungs to take up more oxygen. And Lagu Agaras and other agaras like wheat, ragi, oats are the storehouse of carbohydrates, the main source of energy. So modern doctors advise meat, fish, eggs as the sources of protein. But if there is no Agni, what is the use of giving protein? I always tell Vada Prakriti, they have problem in digesting proteins. Pittam, Pittasya Sarpishaha Panam, Natu Kevala Pittaja. In Kevala Pitta, Pittam Sasnegam, when you give snega, you should be careful. So you have to do Rukshana, then you should give Snehana. Kevala Pittam, you should be very careful. If the patients are vegetarian, they should eat lentils, beans, soya beans, nuts and seeds. Badam is advised. Cashews are not very good according to me, but modern medicine says it's a good source of zinc which boosts the immunity. Balam, we have been talking about Balam. Balam depends on Agni. Balam in Radha-Yakshma, Balam is affected. Snehasaram is Balam. In Radha-Yakshma, Sneham is affected. So Rasadushti is there in this disease. And dairy products, turmeric milk, once a day to boost the immunity, soya milk, girda, cheese, vegetarian proteins, adequate vitamins and minerals, 5 servings of vegetables and fruits in a day. Fruits contain natural sugar known as fructose, which is absorbed easily in the body. Plenty of fiber must be there. Some patients say there is loss of taste. It is important to eat at regular interval. If it is not palpable, you can add pickles, nartangai, urgai, etc. Patient is having difficulty in swallowing. Make the food into paste and cutting them into tiny pieces. The physical deconditioning. The muscles are not used to work for some time. So slow walking, American Heart Association says 20 to 30 minutes walking 5 times a week. Then you can go for other exercises slowly. Cardio exercises are very important. Push-ups, squats, all these things can be started little later. But if the breathlessness increases during exercise, breathing difficulties increase in frequency and intensity, even little bit of activity produces breathlessness. If the patient develops punaravartaka jwaram again, if there is a chest pain, it is better to see a doctor. Confusion is there, you should be very careful. Even after 8 weeks, these symptoms manifest, 6 to 8 weeks. Confusion, cyanosis, diarrhea, vomiting, rashes, red eyes. Few cases, after complete recovery, they showed the same symptoms again, but the COVID test was negative. But we have treated them as before. Government Ministry of Health and Family Welfare advises moderate exercise, yogasana, pranayama, meditation, morning walk, evening walk, balanced diet, adequate sleep, rest, avoid smoking, alcohol. Smoking is Kadutikta Kashaya Rasa, Ushna Virya, Vadapitta Vardhana, Ojo Nasana. Alcohol is against Ojas. So you should avoid all these things. But Snanam Suracha Sramaharanam. Ashwagandharishtam, Balarishtam, Devadaru Arishtam, Dasamularishtam with Siddhamagaradhvajam, Purna Chandrodayam can remove the fatigue very effectively. So in the house you should maintain body temperature, blood pressure and sugar. 120/80 is the BP. Actually, right hand BP is more than the left hand BP. Even though left subclavian artery is the direct branch of aorta, 3 to 7 mm of mercury difference is seen in right hand. So I advise you to see BP in the right hand than in left hand. Mercury is 13.7 times heavier than water and blood. So it is better to use mercury apparatus in practice. Even the top cardiologists I have seen, they use mercury apparatus. When oxygen saturation is below 95 with chest pain, you should be alert. Dizziness, headache, diminished cognition, prajna, difficulty in recording, retaining and recalling, encephalopathy-like features, you should be careful. I have treated some cases in May. Still they have some issues. Few patients. Some patients whose immunity is very well, their recovery is very fast. That is why Ayurvedic medicine must be started as a prevention, as a cure, and then as a rasayana. Positive mental health in 9 simple steps. Get good sleep, exercise regularly, avoid alcohol, practice meditation, connect with relatives and friends, reduce screen time, meditation. Meditation is very difficult. Jabam you can do very easily. Ja means Janma. Pa is Papa. That which removes Papa is called Japa. Yajnanam Japa Yajñosmi. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says. Jabam is easy. Meditation is difficult. Vada Prakriti should get 8 to 9 hours of sleep. Pitta Prakriti 7 to 8 hours. Kapha Prakriti less hours. Actually they sleep more. Sleep you have got sleep initiation and sleep maintenance. Some people have good sleep initiation. They sleep by 7:30 they start sleeping. But 2 o'clock they get up. Sleep maintenance and sleep initiation you should understand. Avoid watching TV, using phone before going to sleep. Many people do that, but we can tell them. Exercises, stretching, walking, those who are habituated to exercise. Once I was coming with Nambudiri sir from Tirupanithura to Thiruvananthapuram after the seminar. Sir was telling Aharam, Nidra, Abbrahmacharyam plus Vyayamam as Upastamba. Vyayamam was told, included by Mahatma Raghavan Thirumalpadu sir. So, Vyayamam is, even though it is not a Vegam, it is included. So, exercise is very important. For Vada, Pitta, Kapha, for 3 people, exercise is important. Heavy exercises for Kapha people, breathing pranayama more for Vada people is important because Chale Vade, Chale Chitte, Nischale, Nischalam Bhave, Asamshayam ki Mahabaho, Mano Durnigraham Chalam. So this Chala Vriddhi is controlled by prana only. And prana is calm and quiet. Respiratory rate comes down and you become calm. That's very important. Avoid alcohol and drugs. Practice meditation. Socially connected. Learn new skills. Exposure to media. Eat healthy. connect with nature. Mental health, do not do not neglect the mental health. Mental health, dysthymia, depression and fear are very common. Vishadam is told in Vada Vyadhi, but Vishadam is Vata Kaparoga. Anxiety is Siddhodvegam. Vada Vriddhi in Rasadadu is anxiety, and feeling worthlessness, inability, social withdrawal, irritability, lack of concentration. All these things they tell, it's a shock, and it's very difficult to come out of that. So how will you manage fatigue? Glani, Klamam, Vojakshayam, Rasakshayam, Sramam, Snanam, Suraja, Sramaharanam. So Agni Deepanam, Amabhadanam, Balavardhanam, Sramagaram, Kalamagaram. So first you target the Agni. So you can give Tikta Kadurasa first for a short period with Yavagu. Amrudottaram, Panchagolam are the two simple drugs that you can keep in your mind. Then other choices, Amrudottaram, Pachanamrutam, Mridvigadi. Then there is a separate kana mentioned for fatigue in Charaka Samhita, which we are giving in our hospital now. Angamarda Prashamana Ganam and Shramahara Ganam. This Angamarda Prashamana I am practicing now more with the 50 Kashaya Yogas of Charaka. Many are not available. 7 to 8 items will be available, and synonym, controversial synonyms is also a difficulty. So, Shramahara Ganam and Angamarta Prashamana Ganam. Previously, I was giving Angamarta Prashamana Gana to fibromyalgia syndrome, which was interpreted as Ama in Rasadadu. After Kadadikta Prayoga, Angamarta Prashamana Gana. Vedana Sthavana Gana is also given. Vedana Sthavana Arkam. These Ganas, Arka Indra is easily available. This Vedana Sthavana Gana Arkam is given. Then Pachanamradam is Tikta Kadurasam, Pittasamanam. When Pittanabandha Lakshanas are seen, it is given. Angamarda Prashamana Ganam. After Agnibala, this can be given as Kshira Kashayam. Sramagara contains all fruits and nuts. That is Sramagara Ganam. So modern medicine talks fruits and nuts. You see Draksha, Karjura, Priyala, Badara, Dadima, Parushaka, Sashtika, all fruits, nuts and seeds is our Sramagara Gana. After Agni Vriddhi, we can give. To improve the Agni, Panchasama Churnam, very famous yoga. This was introduced to me by Dr. Rajagopalan sir, Sishyan, Dr. Manoj Shankar Narayanan. It is told in Charangadara Samhita. The Vishesha Palasruti is Amavadam, Agni Mukha Churnam, Vaishwanaram. Then after the Agni Deepana, we can go for Brahmana Yukta Churnas like Bala Churnam, Ashwagandha and Kavigachu. Panchasamam, Sarangadara Samhita, Vada Kapakaram, Vadanulomanam, Srodoshodanam in nature. Amavadam is the Vishesha Palasruti, Ushna Jalam is the Anubana. Agni Mugam, Haridagi, Chitragam, Kushtam. Kushtam is a major dravya also. It is a Kapavadagaram, Anulomanam, Aushada. It can also be given in spastic colon, non-ulcer dyspepsia. With Ushna Jala or Takra, this can be given. Vaishwanaram can also be given for some days. Vaishwanaram contains this Haridagi. Aham Vaishwanaro Bhutva Praninam Degamashrada. Prana Apana Samayuktaga Pachami Annam Chaturvidam. So Vaishwanaram is Bhagavan, Agni. You see it in Gita, Aham Vaishwanaro Bhutva. So below Nabi, we will give Vaishwanaram. Above Nabi, we will be giving, Amam is there, we will be giving Hinkavajadi. Then Draksha Dilegium, Shavanaprasam are given. The most important medicines for fatigue after Agni Vriddhi, Agni Deepana is Brahma Rasayanam, Ayushkami Rasayanam, Abhaya Amalakasyava. The Palasruti of Brahma Rasayanam, it does not contain any Vyadi Pratiniga Palasruti. Very important. It contains only Kalama, Tantra, Glani, Palita, Bali, all general fatigue features. So Brahma Rasayanam is the best medicine for taking long time for this fatigue. We are giving Brahma Rasayanam here, 15 to 20 grams 2 times a day with warm water. If Agni Balam is there, milk is given. Then Gorojanadi, Kasturyadi, Dhanvantaram, Purna Chandrodayam can be given along with Arishtasavas. One of the best medicine for short period is Brigat Kasturi Bhairava Rasam, Swarnamuktadi Vadi, Sahasrayogam, and Siddha Makaradvajam. Arishtas in the early phase with Churna. Some people mix Arishta with Kashaya and give. There is nothing wrong in that. Dasamula Arishtam, Ashwagandha Arishtam, Bala Arishtam, Draksha Arishtam, Pipalyasavam. Many people think Pipalyasavam main ingredient is Pipali. Pipali is only 50 grams. Draksha is 8 kilos. Likewise in Punarnavasavam also. Punarnava is 50 grams. Draksha is 8 kilos. So Kapaja Kasam, productive cough. If there is productive cough, you can give Kadurasam, Kaduvagam, Ushnaviryam, Pramana Gunayuktam, Amabajanam, Pranavaga Srodosodanam, Vadanulomana Ushadas. In Kapakasa, you should not select Vidaryadi, the Kushmanda Rasayanam, Sidobaladi Churnam, Yashtimadu Churnam, Siddhamagaradvajam, Purna Chandrodayam, Karjuradi Legiam, Nayobayam Kashayam, Brigat Nayobayam Kashayam. In Kapakasam, you should not select all these things because they are Madhura Rasa, Madhura Vibhaga, Kleda Yukta in nature. So in Kapaja Kasam, productive cough, Dasamula Gaditrayam, if you take Dasamula Gaditraya, Trigadu works on Amasya, which is the Udbhavasthana for Kasa. Dasamulam is Vada Kapakara and Vasa is Vyadipratiniga Ushada. Then Vyagradi Kashayam with Tippali, and our research drug, Patyakustumbaradi Kashayam, Yelaganadi Kashayam, Kasagara Gana Kashayam of Saraka Samhita, Saraka. Swasakara Gana contains the Tamalaki. That is the first time when Kridanelli is introduced in Ayurveda, not in Kamala chapter, but in Swasakara Gana. Vyagradi, Kadudiktarasam, Ushnaviryam, Vada Kapajabanam. So it is given in respiratory disorders, productive cough, bronchitis, rhinitis with Pipali Churnam. Pipali should not be given without adjuvants or for longer period. Vardhamana Pipali can be given, but Pipali Legium, because it can produce metabolic acidosis. That is the reason why it is given with Kimsugabatra Kshara and goat's, sheep's milk. Patyakustumbaradi, the Palasvrudi mimic the same picture of COVID with Madhu and Hingu and Masha Pramanam Hingu we can add and we can give that. Kasakara Gana Kashayam is also highly useful in Kapakasa. Talisadi, Yoshadi, Trikadu, Karpuradi. Karpuradi now I avoid because good Karpuram is not available. I avoid medicines with Karpura, Dasamula and Shilajit in making because very Kasturi Gudiga, Gorojanadi, very difficult to make. Siddha Gorojanadi is simple than Ayurvedic Gorojanadi. Chukundipulyadi Guliga, which contains this Gauri Pashanam, AS2O3 I think. And Gauri Chukundipulyadi Guliga should be given for shorter period if you are practiced using that. Vasa Arishtam, Kanagasavam, Dasamula Arishtam, Pipalyasavam. Then Agastya Rasayanam, Dasamula Haridigi, Dasamula Rasayanam. 2 yogas are there, Dasamula Rasayanam. The Pipali Rasayanam is the Pipali Rasayanam told in Siddha Prakarana. Gridabanam, then Shatphala Gridam, Srodasam Tam Vishodanam. Indiganda Gridam, Agnidivanam, Srodoshodanam. And Samana Snegabana we can give because the treatment should end up in Snegana and in Brahmana. Because you have treated with Kadurasa. Kadurasa increases Pittavada. Pittavada, Snegam, Gridam is the best medicine. So it should end with. In dry cough, you will be selecting in Pittakasa, that is yellow colored, green colored sputum. you will be giving Guduchyadi, Mridvigadi. Mridvigadi legium is Niragni Samskara. Mridvigam and Tippali is triturated in a kalva and then it is used. Vadanalomanam, Pranavaga Srodo Dushtigara Chigisa, Kasagaram. Here, Madhura Rasa Pradanya Kasagara Ushadas are selected. Vidaryadi, Nayobayam, Drakshadi, Sidobaladi, Vividagi, Gorojanadi Gudiga, Dhanvantara Gudiga, Eshtimadu Gudiga, Vidaryadi Gradam, Amrita Prasa Gradam, Sarpir Gudayogam, Rasna Dashamuladi Gradam. In some book it is Draksha Dashamuladi Gradam, Kushmanda Rasayanam, Agni Mantyam, Agastya Haridagi, Agni Vriddhi, Kushmanda Rasayanam, Shavana Prasam, Dashamula Rasayanam, Vidaryadi Legium are given. In Swasam, dyspnea, breathing becomes difficult. You can give Swasakara Chikitsa. Swasam, Mahaswasam, Chinna Swasam, Tamaga Swasam, Pradamaga Swasam, Shudra Swasam. Mahaswasam, cortical, Chinna Swasam, medullary, Tamaga Swasam, respiratory, Shudra Swasam, hyperventilation, then psychological. This is the order in which the Swasam is told in the text. There are certain diseases in which Vadapitta Kapha classification is not told. Swasam Avastha is told. Maha, Urdhvam, Chinnam, Raktabittam, Gadi is told. Urdhva Gadi, Adho Gadi, Tiryak Gadi. But Gulmam, Vada Gulmam, Pitta Gulmam, Kapha Gulmam, like Vadapitta Kapha classification is told. So Maha Swasam and Chinna Swasam, there is no treatment. The treatment starts with Tamaga Swasam. And probably the cortical and medullary acute respiratory distress syndrome, Chinna Swasam, these stroke-like features. That is why ipsilateral cranial palsy with contralateral hemiplegia. That is why if you read a Chinna Swasam, you can see one eye will be red in color. That is a ipsilateral hemorrhage probably. Probably this may be a complication of some viral episode. So Nayobayam, Brigat Nayobayam, Bhadradi Kashayam, Bala Jeragadi, Swasakara Ganam, Kasturi Gudiga, Vayu Gudiga, Dhanvantara Gudiga, Gorojanadi Gudiga are given. Swasakara Gana Kashayam is very good. Kasturi Gudiga, Ushnam, Kapavadagaram, Amabadanam. My Guru Dr. B. Vaidyanathan sir used to add Jundbi Jastar while making Kasturi Gudiga. But even in 17th century, these Abhava Dravyas are told in Yogarattanagaram. Kasturi Tadabhave Takkolam, Tadabhave Draksha. Even in 17th century, these things have become endangered. Ashali, Kasturi, Anjanam, Manoshila, Nabi and Lingam are there in Kasturi. Whereas when you are prescribing Kasturi Gudiga right and left, you should know that it contains Manashila and Lingam. So Dhanvantara Gudiga is the safest medicine in comparison with Kasturi and Gorojanadi. In bronchitis, COPD, pleurisy. Pleurisy is Parshvagulmam. Pyrexia due to Vada Kapha, Vada Vaigunya, Shunti Surasa, Hani, Jiraga Kashaya can be given. Vayu Guliga. Vayu Guliga contains, many people call Dhanvantaram as Vayu Guliga, Kasturi as Vayu Guliga. But Vayu Guliga Yogam is different. Sakasra Yogam. It contains Manashila, Hingulam, Tanganam, Paradam, Kantapaspam, Rasanjanam. So once you write Vayu Guliga also, you should know that it is a very classical Rasa Ushadas which must be prepared properly. And it is related to spastic colon, gas and Vadakshobham with Jiraga Kashaya. Dhanvantara Gudiga. It is very unfortunate that many students do not by heart Dhanvantara Gudiga, Kasturi Adi Gudiga, etc. This Kadurasam, Kadubhagam, Ushnaviryam, Kapavadagaram, Srodoshodanam, Vadanalomanam, Mrigaredas, Kasturi, Jiragam, Rudraksham, etc. One Muddaka Pramanam, 1 gram, it is given. Panasa Patra Vrindam, Bunimbam, Jiraga Kashayam. Exactly you have to give this to get a very good effect. dyspnea, this is a wonderful medicine. One of the handy medicines is Dhanvantara Gudiga. And Gorojanadi. The Gorojanadi of Sarvaroga Chikitsa Ratnam, Gudiga Prakaranam, horns of deer, rhinoceros and many other medicine animals are mentioned. So Swasa, Swarnabhaspam, Pavadabhaspam, Punagam, Tanganam are also mentioned in the Gorojanadi. The Siddha Gorojanadi, the yogam is small and simple that we can use. This is also useful in acute dyspnea. Churnam, Vadapradhanyam, Siddhobaladi, Shadi, Talisadi, Togeladi, Lavangadi, Karpuram, Tuduvadai, Kasamardam, Trigadu can be used. Karpuradailam application and Swedam can be given. Vamanam is usually avoided. Pradimargam Chakaranam, Tamagetu Virejanam is also avoided. But Anulomanam can be done with Hridya Virejanam, Trivrit Legam with hot water. With Mrudu Virejanam, based on the Yukti, can be done. And you can lick Dasamula Rasayanam Mugur Mugur. Then after the acute phase is over, Shavanaprasam or Nagabala Churnam, Anakurundotti Pudi can be given. Nagabala is a very good Vojo Vardhana Drivya. There are controversy about the selection of Nagabala. And Nagabala Rasayanam is given for 1 month with milk as Anubana. Practically we don't do, we give half teaspoon with milk for 1 or 2 days. Barangi Gudam, Pavadabhaspam, Prabhala Panchamradam can also be given. Rasamanikyam, Swasagudaram, Swasananda Gudiga, if Joranabandam is there, Mukkai, Mukkaduvadi Vadi, Vasa Kantakari Legium, Tampula Rasayanam are also choices. Whatever is available in your clinic, based on the Yukti, 1 or 2 medicines you can select and give. Simply for Shushkam, Shavanaprasam, Dasamula Rasayanam, Siddhobaladi is enough. For productive cough, Vyagradi, Thalisapatradi Vadagam are enough for practice. Ajiranam is commonly seen. In Vyadi Mukta, here also Amrudottaram, Mustakaranjadi are given. Then Inguvajadi, Bhuktanjari Gudiga, told in Grahani, Astajurnam with food, Sagrasa Ushadagala. Then after that, Drakshadi Legium to correct liver, which is the site of Budagni. Then Ardraka Rasayanam, Vilvadi Legium can also be given. After that, Vyadi Muktasya Mandagnu, Sarpirevadu Divanam. So the Mandagni due to Vyadi Mukta, chronic diseases, you can give Gridapana. So Indiganda Gridam, Shatfala Gridam, Kalyanaga Gridam, Dadimadi Gridam can be selected based on the Avastha. Avastham Prapi Nirdishtam. So Ajamoda Arkam and Jambira the Panagam produces Agni Divanam very quickly and very effectively. Then Kapaja Shirasulam, that type of headache we are getting, sinus headache, Varunadi, Vyagradi, Dasamula Vidatrayam, Indhugandam, Patyaksha Datriadi, Bunimba, Nishanimba, Amrudo Yudaihi, where we make it in our hospital as Suryavarta Vadi. Patyaksha Datriadi Churnam, soaked in ginger juice and made into tablet. This is the yukti of my grandfather. So we are following that. Very effective in all vascular and sinus headache. Shatfala Gradam, Kalyanaga Gradam, Urdha Jatru Vigaresh Nishi. Many people give Shirashula Vajra Rasam, Lakshmi Vilasa Rasam, Amrdarishtam, Rasanadi Churnam with Dhanyamalam, Lebam, Rasanadi Dhuma Varti, inhale through nose and exhale through mouth. After they recover, Pitta Pradhanyam, Argaladi Dailam is applied in the head. Argalam means Bringam. Bringa has 6 legs. So Argalam is Bringarajam, which is Ushnaviriam according to Ayurveda. Then Bala Ashwagandha Lakshadi, Jwaragaram. Ashwagandha Lakshadi is Jwaragaram. And Yaksha Rakshasa Budagnam, Garbhininam Chasasyade. Budagnam, all these virus. Not only these Buddha denotes the other meaning, supernatural things, all the virus and other things are also considered as Buddha. Nirgundi Tailam, Nochi Tailam in Siddha can also be given. Trikadu, Vettumaran, Ananda Bhairavarasam, Gomutra Haridagi tablet, Vyoshadi Vadakam. Then after last phase, we can give Shadbindhanasya because in Amavastha of Jwara, Swasa, Kasa, Varsharudu, during periods, Nasyam is contraindicated. Anidra, Brahmi Drakshadi Kashayam. In Manorogas, no Kashayas are mentioned. Only Gridam is mentioned. Anything which is fat soluble alone will cross blood-brain barrier. But our Acharyas were not knowing this. They told Gridam Medyam, Mastulunga Sadasam Gridam. So they give Medya. So if you take 23 Grida Yogas are there in Apasmara, Unmada, Atatva, Binivesha, Buddhagraha Visheshatvam. You can see Kalyanagam, Mahakalyanagam, Panchagavyam, all these Chedasam, Mahachedasam, Saraswatam, Mahasaraswatam, etc. Only two Kashayas. Brahmi Drakshadi came in 14th century in Madatiyam and many phases we will be giving in Sakasrayogam. Samchasthabana Ganam is told by Charaka. So the Brahmi Drakshadi and Samchasthavanam are the two old preparations for Manorogas. Ashwagandha, Jadamamsi, Thagaram can be given. Parasiga Yavani is also highly useful in Anidra. Manasamitra, Padagam, whether it is placebo or it is really effective because Swarnabhasmam and other things has to be added. It is a very costly medicine if you prepare as per the text. Panjaravindam. Panjaravindam, the word Kanakabatram is coming. Kanakabatram, everybody is using Swarnam, but in our hospital, Nagagesaram is also called as Kanakabatra. So we are adding Nagagesara and making Pancharavindam. Probably you will be knowing about Pancharavindam in Ashtangradya, Vadadiviga Rasayana. Pancharavindam and Kuvare Sadushkam. Sarpagandha Kshirashayam, Kasakasa, poppy seeds, Kasakasa Legium, Agifenasavam, Draksharishtam. Agifenasavam is not available. Chedashagradam, Sadushkolayam, Thalam with Panjagandam and Kshirabala Padabhyangam, Mahakalyanagam Kashayam, in Pittavada Manorogam, anxiety, Shankapushpi, Kapakaram, Medyam, Vadasamanam Medyam, Gridam, Swarnam, Yashtimadu, Pittasamanam, Medyam, for Pittasam Pittanabandam, Panjaravindam, Yashtimadu, Guduji, Kafanavandam, Koshtam and Shankapushpi. But in anxiety, Kalyanaga Gridam, Brahmi Gridam, Drakshadi Gridam, Mridvigadileyam, Manasamitram, Swarnamuktadi Vadi, Bala Ashwagandha Lakshadi Dailam, Brahmi Dailam, Kshirabala Dailam, but Panjagandha Surnam in the head can be applied. So, rare complications, only one stroke we have seen, and most commonly fatigue, myositis. In myositis, post-viral myositis, Rasna Saptakam, Rasna Panchakam, Rasna Erandadi, with Shaddaranam, Panchagola Savam, Panchagola Yavagu, Rukshasvedam. If myalgia persists, Ksharavasti, Vaidaranavasti, all these things are done. Then in the second phase, Ushna Virya Tailas should be selected for Abhyanga in the last phase. Kottanjukkadi, Vishagarbham, Vishamushti, Chinjadi, Karpuradi should be selected. You should not select Narayana Delam, Mahanarayana Delam, Balaguduchyadi Delam, Dhanvandara Delam, Kshirabala Delam, Murivanna Delam, all these things in post-viral myositis because they are all Shida Virya in nature. So the simple summary is Vada Kapakaram, Ushnam, Agnidivanam, Srodoshodanam, Balapradam, Rasayanam is the treatment with little Bagi Parimarjana Kriya. Daiva Vabhasraya Chikissa, Vishnum Sahasramurdanam, Characharapadim Vibhum. Vishnu Sahasranamam is told as a medicine. Bayakrit Bayanasanaga. Today is the day of Lord Vishnu. Sankam Sakram Jalugam Tadamrada Kumbam Charudo Bisadarbigi. Sukshma-swachchadi-gridyam Sugaparivilasanmoli Amboja-netram Neelangam Dojjulangam Kadijada-vilashar Bidambaratyam Vande Dhanvantarim Tam Nigilakadavana Prodadavagni-neelam. Sukshma Swachcha Amshuka Parivilasan Mauli. Using white colored turban is the indication. Yada Nirvikalpakam Jnanam, this Pratitsham they are telling. Yada Adityoyam, Shyamoyam, Brahmanoyam idi, like that. Indriyartha Sannigarsha Janyam Jnanam. So if you see a turban, you should understand that Vaidyam is coming, as if nowadays people are wearing apron and a stethoscope to denote that he is a Vaidya. So Dhanvantari Jayanti, Trayodashi, Hasta Nakshatram, and Divodasa Dhanvantari is there, Narayana Dhanvantari is there. Dhanvantari temple, old temple is in Nelluvayil, where Kalam is the medicine. Mukkadi, they call it Mukkadi. Dhanvantari temple is there in Varadaraja Perumal temple at Kanjipuram. Dhanvantari temple is in Srirangam, back of Ranganatha Swami. There is a temple. In Vaithisaran Govil, Dhanvantari Samadhi is there. That is one of the Siddha Purusha Dhanvantari. Mandiramum, Tandiramum, Marundumai, Tirai Noi, Tirtharulavallan, Pullurukku Velur. Is called Vaithisaran Govil, Balambigeja, Vaidyeja, Bavaroga, Haredija. Jabe Namat Trayan Nityam Maharoga Nivarana. Balambiga, Tayal Nayagi in Tamil. And Vaidyanatha Swami. Nimbam is the Salavriksham. And they give Mrit. Vaidyanatha Ashtakam is there, which can be chanted every day. So, may Lord Dhanvantari give you all health, happiness in this good day. And I thank you very much for giving. I ask Ayush for giving this opportunity. I thank the Nagargovil student who introduced me. I thank Dr. Hema Subhashini. I saw her interview in the morning. Very nice. I congratulate her and bless her. Thank you all. Namaste.
Namaste, sir. Thank you, sir. That was a very wonderful brainstorming session, sir. As always, you share your experience, and we all are dumbstruck, sir. And now we are just waiting for the song release of Dr. Mohana Priya, sir, on felicitation of this 5th Global Ayurveda Day. She's presented a song, and you have to unveil it with your hands, sir. We are just waiting for it.
Dear Mohana Priya, great work. I congratulate you.
Sir.
I bless you for your wonderful effort. You are doing great work. You are my student. I am proud of you.
Thank you,
great
sir.
effort.
Thank you, sir.
Hereby I release your song. Kindly play the song.
Thank you, sir.
அவங்களே ப்ளே பண்ணிப்பாங்க. அவங்க ஸ்க்ரீன் ஷாட்
இந்துகாந்தம் போக்கும் ஜுரம் தடை முழுவதும் வேதம். இந்துகாந்தம் இந்துகாந்தம் சமண வடி போக்கும் ஜுரம் தடை முழுவதும் வேதம். வேதம் வேதம் வேதமாயுர்வேதம். ஒளிந்திடும் வேதம். வேதம் வேதம் வேதமாயுர்வேதம். பெருக்கிடும் வேதம். வேதம் வேதமாயுர்வேதம். தக்கதிமி தக்கஜுணு தக்கதிமி தாமி. தக்கதிமி தக்கஜுணு தக்கதிமி தர்கடதாம். தத்தி தக்கஜுணு தக்கதிமி தாம். கிடதக்கதி தக்கஜுணு தத்தி கிடதக்கதாம். தக்கஜுணு தக்கதி தக்கஜுணு தி தக்கஜுணு கிடதக்கதி தக்கஜுணு தாம். தக்கிட தக்கதீம் தக்கிட தக்கதும் தக்கிட தக்கணம் தக்கிட தக்க தக்கதிமி தக்கஜுணு தக்கதிமி தக்கஜுணு தத்தி கிடதும் தத்தி கிடதும் தத்தி கிடதும் தக்கதிமி தக்கஜுணு தக்கதிமி தக்கதீம் கிடதும் ததீம் கிடதும் ததீம் கிடதும் தக்கதிமி தக்கஜுணு தக்கிட தத்தி கிடதும் தத்தி கிடதும் தத்தி கிடதும். வேதம் 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 வேதமாயுர்வேதம். ஆயுர்வேத முறையினால் ஆவி இடைவெளியும் விழிப்புணர்வும் வேண்டும், சுய பாதுகாப்பும் வேண்டும். சமூக இடைவெளியும் விழிப்புணர்வும் வேண்டும், சுய பாதுகாப்பும் வேண்டும். ஆயுள் வளர்க்கும் ஆயுர்வேதம் அகிலமெங்கும் வேண்டும், அது அகிலமெங்கும் வேண்டும். ஆயுள் வளர்க்கும் ஆயுர்வேதம் அகிலமெங்கும் வேண்டும், அது அகிலமெங்கும் வேண்டும். சானிதா மமகரீச சரிக மமகரீச சரிக மமகரீச சரிக மம பத மமக சரிக மம பத மக மம மம மக மம சரிக மம சரித மம பத மம நமரிக சரிக மம சானிதா மமக மமகரி. வேதம் வேதம் வேதமாயுர்வேதம், ஆரோக்கியம் ஆரோக்கியம் ஆரோக்கிய வாழ்வை விரும்பிட கொடுத்திடும் வேதம். ஆரோக்கியம் ஆரோக்கியம் ஆரோக்கிய வாழ்வை விரும்பிட கொடுத்திடும் வேதம். வேதம் வேதம் வேதமாயுர்வேதம், வேதமாயுர்வேதம் வேதமாயுர்வேதம்.
ஹலோ மோகன பிரியா,
Yes, sir.
நல்லா பண்ணிருக்க, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். நல்லா
Sir,
வாழ்த்துக்கள், ஆசீர்வாதம்.
thank you, sir. Thank you.
பார்ட் வந்து
Thank you, sir.
இந்த
Thank you.
மாதம் தை மாதம் சாயல்ல இருந்தது. ரெண்டாவது உள்ளது மாயாமோலை மாதிரி இருந்தது.
Sir.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
Of course, sir. நீங்க சொன்ன அதேதான் சார்.
அப்படிதானா? ஓகே ஓகே.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் சார்.
மாயாமோலை வந்து பித்தவாத சமனமா உள்ள ராகம், சங்கராபரணம் மாதிரி. சரி
Yes, sir. நன்றி சார். Thank you, sir.
Congrats, Dr. Mohana Priya. Now I invite Dr. Devi Priya to do the vote of thanks.
Honorable speakers, respected doctors, and all the participants, it's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on the special occasion. I, on behalf of IAS Kayush and on my own behalf, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Speaker of the Day. I must express our deep sense of thanks to Dr. L. Mahadevan sir for providing encouragement at post-COVID-19 management through Ayurveda. I like to mention our sincere appreciation to Dr. Mohana Priya ma'am and her team. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am. Let me end with a Thirumandiram. தெளிவு குருவின் திருமேனி காண்டல், தெளிவு குருவின் திருநாமம் செப்பல், தெளிவு குருவின் திருவார்த்தை கேட்டல், தெளிவு குரு திருவுரு சிந்தித்தல் தானே. Thank you all for being with us. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Participants, kindly wait for the next session, which is about medicinal plants and their role in boosting of immunity in regarding to COVID-19. So kindly wait for the next session by Dr. Ravi Narayan Acharya. He is from Gujarat Ayurveda University, Jamnagar. Hope it would be a really wonderful session. Next sessions in order to felicitate 5th Ayurveda Day, Global Ayurveda Day today. So kindly wait for the next session, participants. Thank you.